Hi, good morning. I bought this key cutting machine model 368A from eBay for like $110 or something like that, and I had set it up to cut laser cut Honda key. So importantly, what I did, I used to chimp it up, I cut a little piece of credit card, which is about, I think it's 0.031 millimeter or something like that, to chimp it up. So I already mounted my original Honda key here. So I'm going to be using this. I bought from eBay, also made by Ilko. So I bought like a pack of 10, and it's like, I don't know, like $1 a piece, maybe less than $1 a piece. It's much cheaper than you buy some other keys to practice basically. So I'm gonna be mounted it in here. I have to make some adjustment a little bit here as far as so this piece here, stop piece, that's when, well, you put it right there, right? So that's where your blank gonna end here, and then I'm gonna cramp it up on my vise here. Okay, all right. So I don't know, you can see here. So actually, with the credit card in there, a little credit card piece, it raised the blank key up a little bit, if you can see here. So if you can see a little bit here, so make it a good cut. So the issue I had before was that I tried to, once I lower my my cutter here and I tried to lock it up, but sometimes the lock kind of release itself. So I have to sort of manually using this handle to cut it manually. As far as the depth, anyway, I also bought for cleaning brush here, just a regular painter brush. And then since I don't have a deburring tool, so I'm going to be using this brush here to deburr my blanks. So, and don't forget, your safety glass is very important to protect your eyes. That is very crucial. So I set it up, the cutter already, I mean the drill, whatever. So once I load this, they both should touch. Actually, my cutter doesn't, well. Interestingly, this guy had a little spring here, so I can actually push a little bit more here, but without pushing, just make sure they both touches the actually my cutter's a little off, my drill a little off, so I'm gonna have to raise it down a little bit. So I'm gonna have to raise down or lower my my drill bit a little bit. I'm gonna use this and then wrench to loosen this a little bit here. Okay. So just push down here. Okay, look like it touches. You can see my drill touches that, so that's good. So I'm gonna tighten it up. So try not to move this unit very often. I think that that's what happened when I move it. So tighten it up. Okay. Okay, it touches. So I'm ready to cut. Put on my safety glasses. Move this up a little bit. Give you a little bit different angle. turn it on. So once I lower my guide bit here, I'm gonna use this to lock it. Hopefully it will work well for me. A lot of time it kind of pop back. I mean the release kind of pop back. Maybe it's too much pressure. I don't know. I'm gonna try to. Just slowly trace it. I forgot to take this out. My key moved, so that's not good. Hang on, I have to put it back. That's me. Apparently maybe it's too much pressure. My blank key had moved. Okay, make sure you tied it up pretty good here. So I'm ready to do another cut. Make sure I tied up pretty good. I already set my depth here. So remove this. Ready to go. Well, actually I might have to reset it again. Maybe not. Let's see. Just slowly tracing it. It is a tricky part. Make sure you go back twice, something. Going back twice. especially this narrow edge here. Forward like one. Now I'm going on the other side. Try to go over this a few times. This is a very narrow edge. I think that should do it. To work on the tip a little bit here. What happened in the past is that if I try to trace over here too much, it might kick the key off. So I'm gonna go back here, and I think that should do it. But let me try. Just on the tip. I think that should do it. So I'm gonna deburr a little bit. Hold the brush forward here. Don't do like this. It's gonna this metal thing gonna ping your nail, your finger. So I go like that. Just you can use some file over here, but you can see it's pretty good. I think it's pretty good. Much better than last week cut. I'm gonna try it on my car, see if I can open the door. And have a little thing here. When I first touch it, it is okay. I can file it. Well, this one doesn't have anything like that, so I'm gonna try it on my car. Well, as it is, folks. As it turned out, I couldn't open my door. The cut here is still too thick in the middle here. If you can see, it's thicker than my original key, so I have to recut it and set the depth a little bit deeper.